There was a man in a village who was very lazy. He was too lazy that he always tries to find easy ways to feed himself. One day, while he was searching for something to eat, he saw the fruit farm. He looked around and didn't see anyone guarding the fruits on the tree. So he quickly decided to steal some fruits. But as soon as he walked into the farm, he started to climb the tree. The farmer saw him and started coming at him to catch him. The lazy man saw the farmer coming at him with a stick. He got afraid and ran towards the forest nearby and went inside it to hide. After few minutes, when he saw farmer has gone, he started to move on from the forest, and while passing through, he saw the wonderful scene. There was a fox. It had only two legs and still was crawling on them happily. The lazy man thought, how can this fox stay alive in such condition? The fox can't run. How he must be able to feed himself or stay alive from the threat of other animals. Suddenly he saw a lion approaching towards the fox with a piece of meat in his mouth. All of the animals fled, and the lazy man climbed up the tree to save himself. But the fox only stayed there because he couldn't run on two legs. But what happened next took the lazy man by surprise. The lion had left a piece of meat for the fox. The lazy man was pleased to see God play. He assumed that the God who created everything always has a plan to take care of what he created. He had the feeling that God has something planned for him as well. So he left and sat somewhere alone, waiting for someone to feed him as well. He kept looking at the road as time passed, waiting for his food. He sat there for 2 days without food. Finally, he couldn't take the hunger any longer and began to leave. While walking, he met an old sage on the way. He told everything what happened to the sage. The sage first gave him some food and water. After having it, the lazy man asked the sage, "O wise one, the god had shown his mercy on the crippled fox, but why the god was so cruel to me?" The old sage smiled and said, "True, that the Creator has a plan for everyone. You are obviously a part of the God's plan. But son, you took his sign in a wrong way. He didn't want you to be like the fox. He wanted you to be like the lion." Often we misunderstand the signs. God has given everyone a strength and ability to do their part. Always learn to see the things in a positive way and see yourself in a strong position to help the ones who need. Don't go for the easy choice, make a right choice. This is Wisdom Arc. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.